Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is the wild styled, and I am planning for May 24th through the 30th, and I am going to continue using the same sticker book. So I've been using the same one for the full month, and this is the colorful florals. I am not sure what I'm going to be doing with my spread, but hopefully it's gonna be good. First and foremost, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, I truly appreciate that. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here. Okay, so I have picked up some of those bloom stickers and they are so lovely, so I wanted to go ahead and continue doing that. I am not completely sure if that's going to be very visible as they are foiled, but it's so lovely. I truly can assure you that they are beautiful and lovely and great. So in this planner, what I do is I track my food intake, my feelings, my movement, any kind of symptoms I might be having. So anything like that goes in here, and I am so excited whenever I get to decorate it because it's so structured and it doesn't really change from week to week. So I already know kind of where I can and cannot place stickers and how much room I need in order to write in here, and that helps significantly if you already have kind of a layout that you know works for you. And we have 3 different things. So we have bloom, grow, and happy, and these are so lovely. Like I said, they're so different and truly lovely stickers. So I am taking some of these floral arrangements out of the sticker book to be able to place them into the spread. Oh, and look at these. Oh my gosh, so lovely. So I'm going to remove some of the lines on the bottom and add flowers there. This is a Uni-Ball Signa white pen and they work amazingly well, at least for me. The trick with those is not to press. You kind of just lightly let it glide on the page, and that helps quite a bit. Look how lovely these arrangements are. So let me make one more. And this one I'm going to put on the top like so. Yeah, I really like those. There. What do you think? This is so lovely so far, right? I think I'm going to use some of these sayings that are almost like a washi strip with a white place in the middle. I really like all of these affirmations, and I really like writing affirmations in my wellness as well, because affirming yourself is part of wellness. And I think I'm going to stick with like this peach and green, and then I'm going to go ahead and also use all of the foil. So I think that will add a pop of color into the spread, but keep it pretty classy as well. Okay, also I wanted to mention that the last few videos I filmed, they were not a voiceover like this one, and if you guys prefer the voiceover, versus the kind of talking as I am filming, please let me know and I will do whatever you guys like more, because I am never sure of what you prefer. For me, obviously voiceovers is more work, but this way I can focus on talking to you guys and not necessarily on the spread, because the spread is already finished. So let me know what you guys think and I will adjust myself accordingly. For me, the joy of all of this is making spreads, so whichever way I go, for me it will work. So I just want to make sure that I am kind of doing what you guys like too, since you guys are watching my videos. Okay, so I decided to add a few sayings all over the place as well. Those round stickers, I think they're so lovely and different. I really enjoyed incorporating them, especially because it's not often that I get to incorporate stickers like that. It really added a pop of color to the spread, didn't it? I think so. I'm gonna add that half circle right in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that peach little box with notes, and instead I'm going to place this beautiful floral outline down like so. How lovely is this? This is making me so happy looking down at it and seeing how it all is coming to life. Now I'm going to take my blue stencil, which is just like this random stencil from Amazon, and I'm gonna add a few bullet points, and this is in order for me to be able to fill out my meal. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there's 5: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and my supplements. So let me go ahead and just do every single day. Okay, so I'm just fast forwarding the process. I think that black pop of a tiny little color is great, especially on this page, since everything is so very much like earth tone and very faint lines. So there's nothing really bold on those pages, so that black brings a little bit of that boldness into it. Okay, a few more and I will be practically done. I really enjoyed this spread and being able to share making these with you. I think they're so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed them too. And don't forget to like and comment. And if you're not already, please subscribe. It does make me so happy whenever I see more people joining my little planner family and kind of supporting me on that journey as well. So I am so thankful and grateful for all of you who do. And let me pop this back into my planner and we will be all set. And I will be doing a flip through of after the pen of all of these planners as always after that week is done. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me.